dul madit me uwa Uganda Wildlife Authority katika wache mir gujok Penyo Cente ki bot dano lok eni la dit lo ba yo wajo Karuma kiloro kere wi pem Karuma dan chak wat ki kwa ki Maxon Falls Penyo ento lok me Penyo Cente ki bot dano ali pier ngwen mutaka 25,000 kum individual ke tingolo kumir ini ay ke gulla wo mayane tini ning dong ki jogada
Emma ana bini cha beach abini cha ngwen karena mati ka karo motakana matiri acholo chilinga li pier dak an acholo chilinga li pier wa beach at the end of the time ono acholo chilinga li pier beach wa beach en acholo ento tieno ne ma ana o Kampala enero me ario di wo ka ne warga pa president pie wa ni pop ni peke chol now warga no bini ichawa kikume me konyo ket me wot padano a wachi experience ma mega la chincha wachi ni Emma yo soroti romo bedo chok kay ngolo kia patch e luare ya ki gulu i o lera ya ki lera me binu kama dog feri ti yek lone Kungu landing site Emma kada bene furi karo feri e dog wa chen way ma sindi pot to one distance ma ini war no furi war we nyong nat matika bunyune ka an mada temo wengi atemo soroti atemo no kyoga atemo makshon yo ma chek kumbeti mangeyo is makshon piem ka government do karne piki charging dano it's a big relief
Man you tini jemoma MPs ane chagu jemo lok ngongo ni weng no food pia kikera until la dit lobo logo
MPs logo ki wanyani guber ka chwak guber ka chwenyu match go chwenyu match majo o kamadong tika wahe matek o we bot president o we Hamson Obua maki NRM beri caucus meeting o karo ko waji president ngoma dan tika kariye mabene meeting ono beri chiambe chiel NRM caucus meeting evaluating your validating lueng pa MPs chalo Gilbaro lanyagi mego mu ake teregoni mago bera war twali we uwane o validating their action menena da president okaro president wachini lok mega mo chiana eni konunge ati ni yo mo kan nong pe eni lok meng nonsensical ada Emma ana ne president otama be
jo kan te wachini eni dong eni metam padana ba kiloro wi pemoy e wer dano karki Maxon Falls dano lwen mate kayinde bino de logo dong do gir chul wer inen en way hero and kono the whole time the entire time this is what was supposed to happen peki ko standard procedure peki ko ni la dit lo bayo logo any is being human and tamopidana wen the dit lo bayo pemiro actual instructions egene authority make kergi ena emir go tam
any authority bene they are torn up PM mi achiel Emma abera mi simple logic ni kirika watika karo kumbedi i park watika losing revenue mo watika losing no gamento no miro nong ana mi la chora machiek ka badge achiel Emma badge tiu dano pier bichel we beach ka ngara achiel no tika chulo chilali pier wa beach that's about 6 million shillings 6 million shillings kati badge pier yo kare park no million pier there ni ana achiel
mero 25,000 no pe ngare no po chulo badge
ati wachi ati miyo simple logic keto mantika losing kwere we neno o beru ka wene we dana chole
no I'm asking part let's talk as a passenger not as a tourist
I'm talking as a passenger
so ibi chulo 25,000 to enter the park
20,000
then ibi chulo dock for the bus 40,000
a bus kachalo antina chero because tourism market wa pick po domestic tourists ki international tourists ena mieta kama kila pora o wego neno ma chere pak neno ma kar mi chele Emma atiu dana ngwena matakana ana chula li piera rio jo dek mon wengo chula li piera rio ki mutaka ma mega matina chula li piera dek how much is that that's already 100,000 tin anyway piem wana deke gena deka li piera bichel
so kiti wachini no donki giro dana ma kiting we ki bacho me chulu 20,000
pi bache ken
Eto private cars chal megune no furu tika chulo.
No furu tika chulo.
Pian because kiti watching a one more thing with private cars. There's a possibility no ram re pak ka cher kang le makono po chulo. So I think that was the idea. Bus dak re di pak no tek lo la mal ben. But small cars is easy, so it's only fair, no chul. But kera dong la dito ba chwa lock and manyuto ni dong has to be more vigilant. Many young ne private car any is just passing through and is not a tourist car.
No, yeah, me achiel kitika validating kineno o ai ko from where enter destination. Tourist van gitie, they are all labeled and all registered. Private cars ma ini donyo chalo megane Emma. Ke donyo dog park kimi chawa may donyo kwede ki chawa may be car kwede in the next gate.
When you're at the exit gate,
at the exit gate.
You left at this time.
And you're exiting at this time. Now that is what is doing.
To regulate speed.
Me a chill to regulate speed. Me a rio. You don't vie. Can go ngolo kamo kena chair and kiri wa itu or to ada chair can penye. All that is being controlled by allocating your time. Which is good. And to me, the best idea that the government has done is to allow people go through the park. Because for a long time, there are Ugandans who have never had a chance to see a buffalo.
Not even just to enter the park alone.
There are Ugandans who have never had a time to even move in the park. Meaning, maction. Ginanonga tia timeko berigete car through Budongo Forest. From Budongo Forest, Ichero, you enjoy your time at the bridge. From the bridge, you crossing Kamaleti Yeni. PM Maction, Opoka Iario. Tentung Ichelti Vuan, a caro, Idugi Ngolo Pen. Ichero kama leti yene kada exiting ipakwachi. That is good. Gina don't get missing here me at the top of the falls. PM mire any viring madak mire where
on your right,
on the right. PM boom and that is what our people are missing. And in terms of domestic tourism.
Manyu kara on ichero o dak parada kanyim kuja.
Ichero para Sambia River Lodge ke don Ichero is source of the Nile. Rayon some good kilometers. You go to the top of the falls and then you come back. Ke rayon idugu de caro the bridge. Ke Karo Bridge, you start the animal sanctuary, the animal zone. Kama leo ponye Omyero madunga ta, michero kwe, we dog park. And then ikar dog park, ikar binu pakuba, binu pakwachi. Emma, look me chero tourism. Omyero idani, I got excited. Dano o tung boro cha ni kama yopakwachi. There are no shelters. Kama dano mero yoke yeki ngogani. But chung mere kama ekan. Time for short call. Get up 5 minutes. Dano kara kichera yoke. Tuante yad mo liej mere te kuru morti ka pako ira morti. Wow.
Dok pe gu bal pengo ke laj ka yoke.
Dano chung weng giti ka nenda ngo. Dano chung weng da kiti neno ngo. Giti neno le. Hey, elephant is big like this. You know that excitement. Now chalo an ma bedi pak cha wenge. I was like, I think the government is doing the right thing.
This is our country. The indigenous Ugandan has to enjoy lemati country.
But they have never had the opportunity.
Domestic tourism.
Domestic tourism is at its lowest level.
La cho Kenya ti pimi town ti pim Kampala paying care wakamo kangi genomo.
We are jomagingo in terms of domestic tourism. What you mean achiel? We are nekule kengang. I iragi anyiri ki kono ngogani. Kone yu go chi moja pelare. Mi ario. Wanero ni lutino mamegwa have the opportunity to go and explore Uganda. That's how we're going to be happy.
This is a blessing in disguise.
Bora no pera.
Very well. Kong wage kakany manok kada kwa cherwa duko meteke.